Are you a pharmacist dreaming of working in Dubai? Then this video is definitely for you because I am Dr. Anik and I am a DHA certified pharmacist and I will guide you through everything. I mean literally everything from preparation to getting your documents verified to getting the DHA license to getting eligibility letter and making sure that your dream comes true. I'm your man. Make sure you subscribe the channel because I daily post at least 3 MCQs that are competitively repeated in DHA exam and they are very necessary. So let's get the video started. We will start with the basic eligibility. The basic things that are very necessary in order to apply for DHA. And number one is a B Pharm or Pharm D degree from an HEC recognized university, a valid pharmacist license and from the Pharmacy Council of Pakistan, and at least 2 years of experience post getting your degree. It means after you have got your degree, you should have at least 2 years of experience from a hospital or a pharmacy, and the most important thing, a valid passport. Good standing certificate is also necessary because it proves that you have no legal obligations to your country and you are free to go wherever you want to. So a good standing certificate, it is at least it is valid for 6 months. So make sure that when you are doing your data flow, only get that in time so that it is processed within due time, and I will guide you for the data flow. But for DHA, you must have a passport, your degrees, and you can definitely go for DHA exam before going for the data flow process. And if you don't know what is data flow, comment data flow and I will let you know in the comment section. So the required documents that you need to upload on Sheryan account, and if you don't know about the Sheryan account, it is a website. All you have to do is just type Sheryan and Sheryan. I will write down the spellings in right there. Okay, so what is required over there? The first thing is your passport. The second thing is of course the passport should be valid. It shouldn't be expired because the expired passport is not accepted on that portal. And passport size photo, it should be white background. Educational degrees and transcripts, pharmacy license, good standing certificate, experience letters, of course, your CNIC, English proficiency certificates are good +1 to have. If you don't have English proficiency certificate, you can go to your university and go to the admin department and fill out the form for English proficiency, and they will give you your certificate. So it is a good thing that you have English proficiency because it will help you in your interviews, because that English proficiency certificate proves that you are actually capable of speaking and communicating in English. And of course you have done your degree in English, so that proves the point that you can read, write and listen in English up to a certain level. That is good enough for international country like Dubai itself. Now what is the exam process? Once your documents are approved, you'll get a data flow verification and eligibility ID. After that, book your exam from Prometric, and it's actually 3 hours long exam, and it has clinical MCQs, questions like calculations and everything. So if you want to know what is in the exam and what is the course line, I will add the card. You will see the link over here or there. So you can see that video, you can see which is the course outline, and plan accordingly. Okay, the passing score is 60% overall, and the questions are as you know, from calculations and everything. I will make a detailed video of how to get yourself mentally prepared for this exam. Let's come back to the video. The next section is, what is the number one tip? Don't go in blind. Most of the students, they are underprepared according to the clinical scenarios and the questions, and they are underprepared mentally, and they are underprepared physically as well, because they cannot maintain the focus for at least 3 hours. I know human body is only capable for 20 to 30 minutes max. So it is somewhat unrealistic from DHA to ask such focus time from a student. We are pharmacists, so the point being, we have to make sure that we are physically, mentally prepared for sitting at a place for at least 3 hours, and we have to maintain our focus as well. We have to make sure that we don't lose our confidence, and we have to make sure that we don't have to attend washroom as well, because once you are in the exam, you cannot go back to the washroom and attend it and come back to the exam again. So make sure when you reach the examination center, it should be at least 45 minutes before your examination time. In that time, you can go for revision, you can take notes with you if you have to, you can go in there, drink water, washroom, go to the washroom, attend washroom, and come back. Once you go inside the exam, you have at least 2 hours and 50 minutes of time for the exam. That includes 150 MCQs, including biopharmaceutical and everything that I posted in the last video. So the questions will be from that course outline. It includes calculation as well. And so trust me on this, this exam is not like the one students gave back in 2021, 2023 or 2024. The exam is way more advanced and way more confusing than it used to be, including the medicinal points, including the clinical points. So if you don't know me, I'm Dr. Anik. I just gave my DHA exam. I'm a certified DHA pharmacist, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and go for the personalized notifications so that you don't miss what is coming up next on this channel. And I wish you good luck, and if you wish to get in touch with me, my number is there. You can WhatsApp me, ask any type of questions, and if you are looking one-on-one preparation classes for coaching, so I will happily do it for you, no problem. And this was Health Toast by Dr. Anik, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, good luck. Till then, stay clinical and stay smart. See you in the next video. Take care.